Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arifanyo Oladipo, and today I'm going to be showing you an interesting way on how to make money online through micro workers. I want you to know that do you know that you can make extra 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 to up to $5,000 every month while you do your 9 to 5 jobs? You can make this money on the side while you do your 9 to 5 jobs. And do you know that there are a lot of opportunities on the digital space, a lot of opportunities online for you to make extra income, extra bucks of money? That money is a lot of money in some countries like the African countries, but it could just be another little source of income to complement your normal income in developed countries like the United States and the likes. So without wasting much of our time, we are going to be jumping into the website where you be able to make this huge amount of money online. So here's the website we're talking about. The name of the website is Micro Workers. The website link is microworkers.com. Micro Worker, yeah, this website gives you the opportunity to work and earn or offer a micro job. Now, let me tell you something about this. One thing about this website, it's a website that gives you little tax. Come to think of it, look at it here. It says crowdsource your micro jobs to more than 3,905 blah 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 or 390 some thousand workers. Get started right away with easy to customize templates. So what you do is you do little jobs, minor jobs to get some commission, rewarded a reasonable commission of $10, $50, $100, whatever amount of job you want to do, depending on how long you can spend on their website. So some of the jobs you could do for them is content moderation. Some organizations are willing to pay you as much as 50, 100, 150, $200, and depending on the amount, the budget of the organization, to edit their content, to adjust it. That's what they call content moderation, to check for the errors, proofread, and make sure the content is suitable for the audience that will be receiving the content. Another one is this is content moderation here, age categorization. So this one is for a different age groups. Then we have moderation of an image. So this one, content moderation, you're going to moderate the image. This is data annotation. Another job on this micro worker platform is data mining. So they'll give you some info. You are going to mine out some important data for the organization, where they will be able to see your prowess in data mining, and they'll pay you for that. Then another one here is image transcription. Image transcription. Here you are going to be transcribing image. Another job here is research study. We have survey, we have data mining, we have transcription job. You translate from one language to the other. Take for instance, you are reading the text, you are reading the work, the job given to you is written in English. You are transcribing, translating into Germany or to French or whatever country language you are going to be transcribing to. Then different work. Some are data testing or mobile testing, or some websites develop applications for you to test. And when you are able to successfully test those applications, you give your honest review on how it is, the user experience, the interface, whatever the case, the issue about that website is. And once you are done with that, you get paid for your information, for your review and whatever it is. This one is there's another one, video transcription. Here you transcribe videos, you edit you listen to what the person in the video is saying, and then you write it out in the language that they want you to transcribe it to. So that's about that. Then this one is sentiment analysis. You analyze social media platforms such as Twitter, and you analyze the sentiment of people on that platform. So you can see that there are lots of work to do, a lot of job depending on your interest. Whatever you like to do is what you select there, and you do it. Your few time during your break, the little time you have just to chill around, instead of just wasting time on the internet and wasting your data, and just taking your time on the social media platform, you can engage with this micro worker platform and begin to do one or two little jobs, simple tasks there, here and there, and you are able to make 100, 200, 300 $300,000 at the end of the month. So that's one of the sweetest way to make money online. And I want to tell you today that if you've gotten value from this channel, I'd like you to like, subscribe, and even share to your friends. And I want you to know that this channel, I want to dedicate it to giving you a lot of updates on how to make money online. I want to help you guys to help you guys to leave the rat race and begin to earn a lot of decent living for yourself. I want to make sure that you guys will be able to have the best value ever possible on this YouTube channel. So I would like you to remain subscribed and to continually check this channel, because every week I'm going to be dropping content for you, at least every day or every 2 days, so that you guys can be updated on the latest many money making online tips that you can use for yourself and get yourself financially free, especially during this time when there's a lot of issues and problems, challenges here and there in the country. So like you to stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.